Hello, welcome to Kilantang Boutique, where fashion meets elegance in every stitch. Our boutique is a heaven for those who appreciate the artistry and craftsmanship of exquisite clothing. So, at Kilantang Boutique, we pride ourselves on our curating a collection of timeless pieces that exude sophistication and charm. Each garment is met- meticulously crafted with attention to detail, ensuring the perfect blend of style and comfort for our discerning clientele. So, our boutique offers a unique shopping experience where every visit is a journey of discovery through a selection of hand-picked designs that reflect the latest trends and a classic elegance. So, from chic dresses to tailored suits, our collection caters to individuals who seek to express their personal styles with grace and flair. Driven by a passion for quality and creativity, Kelantan Boutique is committed to providing exceptional customer service and tailored shopping experience. Our team of fashion experts is dedicated to helping you find the perfect ensembles that complements your individuality and makes you feel confident and beautiful. Whenever you are looking for a statement piece of a special occasion or a wardrobe staple for everyday elegance, Kilantang Boutiques invites you to explore our exquisite collection and experiences that luxury of bespoke fashion and its finest. Visit us today and discover the essence of timeless style at Kilantang Boutique. And about us, Kilantang Boutiques, located at Porok 1 Catleya, Barangay Akmak, beside City Hardware, is a primary destination for fashion enthusiasts in the Philippines. Our boutique offers a curated selection of trendy and stylish clothing and accessories to cater to your fashion needs. At Kilantang Boutiques, we prioritize customer satisfaction and strive to provide a personalized shopping experience. Our dedicated team is committed to helping you find a perfect outfit occasion, ensuring you feel your best. For more inquiries, you can contact us at 01515550760 or visit our Facebook page at Emily Di Parini, RB Jan Kilantang for the latest updates and promotions. Experience of the essence of styles and elegance at Kilantang Boutique. Shop with us, discover a world of fashion possibilities. And our mission at Kilantang Boutique, our mission is also to inspire confidence and elegance through meticulously crafted clothing that reflects timeless style and satisfaction. We are dedicated to providing a curated collection of aesthetic pieces that empower individuals to express their unique identity with a grace flair. And vision is our vision is at Kulantang Boutique is to become a beacon of luxury of refinement in the fashion industry, setting the standard for exquisite craftsmanship and exceptional customer service. We aspire to be go-to destination for those who seek timeless elegance and personalized style, creating and lasting a legacy of beauty, quality, and sophistication in every moment we offer. So what we do in Kilantang Boutiques is specialized in offering a curated selection of trendy clothing and accessories to cater to the fashion needs of our customers. Our boutique is dedicated to providing a personalized shopping experience, ensuring that each customer finds the perfect outfit for any occasion. Connect with us on Facebook for the latest updates and promotions, and experience the essence of styles and elegance at Kilantang Boutique. And our team, the founder and president, is Arby Jan Kilantang, and our graphic designer, Alvi Jane Kilantang, and the owner and CEO or founder, Emily Kilantang, and our account manager is Alvita Bildam. Thank you. So we look forward to you working with you. So visit our shop. Thank you. God bless.